Which Jamaican celebrity would you bring on a date?
No, you have to say female celebrity because you can't say celebrity.
Come again.
That's all like Shibana thing though.
Which female celebrity would you bring on a date?
Shensi and Spice and Jada Kingdom. Cheer them one time.
Which way you bring them go?
You know, say like come in the yard and just fly them got Trinidad. I'm going to some breakfast. Them thing they know that's why the woman them love LL Lewis now. Me some man who just say baby, you want to go eat some lunch? And she checks I just round the road. I say no, Trinidad we got Antigua.
Boy, I'm not reach there yet, but one day by the hook, by the crook.
So now far we not reach LA Lewis level yet viewers, but one day by the hook or the crook, we must can just fly out, go have lunch and come back. Yes, I say. So viewers, welcome back to a new upload. I hope everybody doing good. We have some quick update for give you now. So just hit that like button, subscribe if you're first time you watch the channel, and we could jump right into it.
How would it how I go on? How would this reach me? Hey, I know so the things hit me G. One phone call is next to make some boy wipe off her hurt and drop down flat.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed.
So we see we are Busy Signal perform at a stage show viewers and him fall off of the stage and Jano Star Busy Signal now take it too serious. He basically even make joke or half right him and say yo who make the call upon him. As I say cause you don't know you hear the song where him have a lot of people attached to any accident to happen to you. As I say one phone call and the thing drop. As I say so if you look on your screen right now, I post that video and him caption it by saying, oh dear make the one phone call upon me. Laughing emoji. It's never supposed to happen this way, you know. So it go. We get up and continue the mission. A God give with the style. Hashtag drop down flat. Hashtag one phone call. Hashtag stay so. Hashtag a God give with the style. As I say so Busy Signal now take it very serious. As I say him just laugh it off and basically I say yo it never happen say as I say but I'm glad the DJ are good still as I say so viewers tell me and start in the comment section. So in the next update we see one fans where Bounty Killer highlight where basically matter about the goodness of Bounty Killer and I say yo even though him name Rodney Price him never sell out and no price not depend theme thing. So before me play the video, Bounty Killer posted the video and him caption it by saying fan love from a fan perspective, aspire to inspire before we expire. Last night legendary at John Hype the legend gave me a new title, Mr. Jamaica. He said that too much people fighting to be the general. You see me? So we'll go run the video viewers and tell me here and start in the comment section.
Rodney, Basil, Price, Gun Godzilla. You know one time you say dinosaur. Never understand the meaning of it till me see a certain video of a certain artist in a certain place. Rodney, Basil, Price. Them no name Price but them have price. You name Price but you're not for sale. You're the column we hold up this. I know one time some people are refer to column in dancehall or column in Jamaican, cultural, whether it is music or whatever. I don't want to make mention of any other person other than you. Rodney, Basil, Price. None of them top man here in a dancehall and reggae. Them have wholesale and retail, them sell out. Rodney, Basil, Price, Bounty Killer. Even the LGBTQ or whatever them want name, I say show respect for you because you stand up. So why you out?
So this fan just a speak on the topic of how him respect Bounty Killer viewers. So if you is a Bounty Killer fan, you can definitely add your 2 cents or 3 cents in a comment section and tell me how much you rate Bounty Killer, because most of these people who come out and show Bounty Killer respect, you can see say them in a age group from the time Bounty Killer they run the place. As me, so them grow with the respect for Bounty Killer. So it not come as a surprise as the type of people them where they show Bounty Killer respect, even though some enough young people right now show Bounty Killer high level of respect, same speed. So leave your honest thought in the comment section and tell me what you think, viewers.
Bumbo Clark, police.
The artists them a get back them visa if you go out the road, go burn up road and make money, you know. That's say it. I say it. Since that Kalanji collect fame and Bojo look like him collect fame too. Well, would I love to see Bounty collect fame, you know. Yeah, man, would I love Bounty to get him visa, man. You know, say it and go do road and go make money. Popcorn too. Yeah, man, Beanie, man. All the artists them. Let's see it where them black out and now give them no visa, you see it. Because you don't know a thing set, you know. Food have to eat. Yeah, what you want now? We hear them a run around 9 and I say, certain ones will get visa, a bug them bug out. You know, see it and stoop down to the color party. Yes, but I don't know. I don't point my finger over there because I don't know nothing, I just know, say. The same thing where I wish for myself, I wish for every man goodness. So if a man can collect a visa, I'm gonna make him money. Girl, I'm gonna make you money. You know, see it. You must know where you do to get it. You know, see it if you get it honestly, or you go on with some things around the corner there where you should go on with. Because, let me tell you, my grandmother always tell me, say, where your hand come it, your body bear. So every man have to go face themselves in the judgment. You have to know that, you know. Yeah, so I know they have to judge no one. I just everyone have to judge themselves at the end of the day. And anyone out there, I do things and I bug out. I hope when the day come, you can't forgive yourself. Someone say every man get them visa and go make money and take care of them life and take care of them people and them children and their loved ones and then community and all of that and that.